All right, what's going on? It's Chris Badgett from LifterLMS, and today I wanted to tell you about our Black Friday All November sale over at LifterLMS. So this is for Black Friday 2020. If you're looking to pick up the best learning management system for WordPress, this is the best time of year to do it. We've got a great deal for you. You can get 20% off with this coupon code, Black Friday 20. We decided to just make it easy on everybody and run the whole sale for the month of November, not just Black Friday to Cyber Monday. So if you want to get in on Lifter LMS and get a great deal on it, use Black Friday 20 as a coupon code at checkout. If you're a Lifter LMS customer and you're looking to upgrade to a bigger bundle like the Universe bundle or the Infinity bundle, over at LifterLMS, just shoot us an email. We'll hook you up with a custom code that prorates the value of your existing license. But if you want to get the deal right now, all you have to do is just copy this coupon code, Black Friday 20, and then head on over to lifterlms.com. And let's say we're going to get the Universe bundle. I'm going to click on that and enter the coupon code here. Just type it in or copy and paste it, and you'll see the price goes down. It takes 20% off the first year. But hey, that's not all. We've also got $2,400 worth of bonuses that you're going to get. You get an email right after you make your purchase with access to all these things. So if you want to check out what's in the bonuses, go ahead and click the link below this video. That'll take you to this blog post we're looking at right here so that you can check out the bonuses. If you're an existing customer and you're looking to upgrade, we've got instructions on how to do that. We're even hooking up our affiliate partners who create like exclusive content. So if you want to earn some money by promoting Lifter LMS on a blog post or on a YouTube video or on social media, we show you how to join our affiliate program and double your commission percentage for the month of November. All that is to say, we got something for everybody. We're expanding the Black Friday celebration for the whole month so that everybody can take advantage of it and not have all the time pressure and the stress right around the holiday. We just opened it up for the whole month of November. And just click these links right here. This will take you to the part of this post that shows you how to get the most value out of Black Friday and Cyber Monday, depending upon who you are. So I'm Chris from Lifter LMS. Thanks for checking this out, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Take care.